Black Friday shopping here at the IKEA store. This is my first ever visit to IKEA. Never seen a store like this. It's just a giant box with a lot of stuff that you can put in your house. Come to IKEA. Your kitchen can look like that. Living room can look like that. Bedroom. What? Your bathroom? Your shower? This is so cool. Like, this is what where you live can look like at IKEA. This is the smartest idea ever. You take a furniture store, then you do some little setup to give people an idea of what their living arrangement can look like. What if you had a studio apartment? Then you can set it up like this. You know, your little, if you had a studio apartment, that's your closet, bedroom, little curtain divider for your bedroom, kitchen. Wow, this is a nice showroom. It makes you feel like you're living in the big city. That nice little background. Definitely, this is what I want my bedroom to look like. I want that little big city background, so it looks like I'm living in the big city. And every morning when I wake up, I look out my window at the amazing view. The best part about IKEA is the showroom. If you're ever visiting IKEA, first go to the second floor showroom, look around, get an idea how you want your living space to look like. Then, if there's time, visit the first floor where they have the individual items. But oh my gosh, the second floor here, showroom, it just takes my breath away. I've never seen anything like this, like the experience of what your living room can look like, or your bedroom. This reminds me of that movie with Indiana Jones, Raiders of the Lost Ark. It's just a big space with shelves full of stuff, and it goes on and on for as far as the eye can see. So when you go to IKEA, you look for your information on what you're buying, and then you make sure you take the number of boxes required to assemble. Box 1, 2, and 3. Some people, when they go to IKEA, they're just like, oh, just what I needed. And they take the one box and they don't have everything they needed. And when they get home, they realize they're short an assembly assignment. Can't wait to get home and assemble my IKEA furniture. That's right, these are the famous desks as seen on the David Dobrik vlogs, where his friend Alex always drops his foot and he breaks it. I want to get one, but my wife said no. We're on a budget. So remember, if you ever decide to visit IKEA, make sure you get here early, because IKEA is the kind of store that you hang out all day at. Thank you for watching.